Hey, hi everyone. So today we are going to see this Airbnb MCP server demo with our local cursor IDE. So MCP server, as you know earlier in previous videos, where how we can create these MCP servers and how we can use MCP clients. Agents can use these MCP clients in a STDIO mode or transport mode or SSE servers and events mode to connect to the MCP servers and get all those tools details, frequently get the tools details, and based on the tools details, they can call the MCP servers tools. So we will see, because Airbnb has also given their MCP server to test all those things. So currently they have given two tools. We'll see in detail how it is. So 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 listing, as you know, Airbnb's business, it does hotel bookings and some listings and all, listing details, and suppose you want to search for a booking a hotel in so and so date and so place. So Airbnb, it provides. So we'll see how this MCP server integration with our cursor demo. So let me quickly move it to my uh, MCP server Airbnb source code. So this is basically written in TypeScript. In all my previous videos, you have seen MCP server and clients were written in the Python code, so this is slightly different, which we got from the GitHub. So here it is written in the TypeScript. So in this index.ts, you can see in this index.ts what they have done, see, they are using this SDK server model context protocol SDK server, and this is STDIO server transport. It is being used here. So they are importing here STDIO transport, not SSE1, and model context for SDK, all those types, call tools, list tools, because these all are required, calls, list, those tools will be required, and for MCP error code. Now see, these are the search tools. So see, as I told, they have provided two tools currently. So there is one tool called Airbnb underscore search. You can see it is search for the Airbnb listing and various filters and page injection. Now see, it all what parameters it takes, those things. It check in, check out, how many adults and children, infants, pets, and so on and so forth. Now you see another tool, Airbnb listing details, where you just give the listing ID, listing ID, and it will basically list tell the details of this listing ID. Say suppose someone has listed their house, so it will get some unique listing ID, and that listing ID, with that listing ID you can get all the details of it, whether it's a 2 BHK, 1 BHK, whatever, so this they have exposed it now. So these all are just simple to understand all this code, what and all it is doing, handle layer, ANB search and all. Then it makes will search URLs, space URL, it makes a call and check, so just go through this code. This is available in GitHub. Okay, so now once you get this code, you need to see, they have here readme also. So let me open this. So in this what we discussed, Airbnb search tool and Airbnb listing, all those details are there. Now here you see, so this is the, see, you can integrate this with the cloud desktop also, they are telling. Okay, so since I don't have this cloud desktop currently in my machine, so I will try with the cursor. Okay, this document doesn't say about that cursor, how to integrate it with the cursor, but I will try it out because it should support. Now you can see, suppose for clouded desktop, right, they are telling that we need to just configure this. Okay, once this is configured, so similar configuration we have to do it for our cursor MCP sections also. Now see, once you do this configuration, then you need to restart the clouded desktop, or if I am doing cursor, I need to restart. So all those things are there here. And to build this project, right, so once you build, right, you need to first install npm install and then npm run build. So in this you can see it is stdio, so it will run, right, this command locally it will run this command, npx command. Okay, so npx, so obviously you have to do npm install so that npx will work. So npx -y, and this your open bnb and MCP server Airbnb. So this will run, and this will basically execute that file, and it will get the data from the MCP from the Airbnb server. So let's build this. So first you have to do npm install, right? So I've already installed, but you can install it if you are doing first time. So I have already installed it, so I'm just keeping this for now. And after that you have to just npm run build, you have to do npm run build. Okay, once you do npm run build, it will create here dist folder. Okay, it will just all your ts files to make it to the js files. Okay, so this is your same ts file will become js file, and which will run, and then you can just do that npm link. Okay, so that link is created so that whenever this file is executed in stdio mode, it will be having this globally available this. So you need to just do this npm link. I have already done, so I am not doing it again. Now next part is, as in the document it was mentioned, right, that we need to configure this MCP server, right, in clouded desktop, but we are using cursor, so we will do it in cursor. And cursor, you are already know, if you've seen my previous videos, that you need to go to preferences, cursor settings. I have already done that, but I will show you where you have to do. So you can see, right, this Airbnb. See, earlier we have this only weather, right, weather MCP server, which we created of our own. Now we are just configuring this Airbnb MCP server details. Okay, so it will do this and run the npx command based on whenever we are asking for any requests. So this is how you configure. Once you configure, you can just do one restart of this cursor. So once it shows green, right, it means your tools are enabled. So here you can see, right, it is showing these two tools, Airbnb search, right, all those parameters and all it is displaying. So these tools, it periodically it fetch for these tools details. If there is any updates happens, right, in the tools, it will update it, because this clients, right, this makes calls to this server for tools updates. So any updates there, it will also be reflected. So similarly, Airbnb listing details is also there. So these two tools we are going to use it for this. So now I will ask here, yeah, hi, please find hotels in Bangalore for June month. Yeah, so can you check with my Airbnb search Airbnb search tool? So as you can see, right, it is now going to call my Airbnb search tool. It has identified that, and yeah, so here you can see all the details it is showing and everything, right? So it's very good. We can see the details. See, here are some Airbnb listing found in Bangalore for the month of June for 2 adults. Listing found. See, premium room, Wilson Garden, Varamangala also, right? Yay Moon, lit. So it is giving us, right, with price details, everything it is giving. Now I will try to find the listing details. So I'll just copy this listing details, and just remember this is for cozy room with AC, right? Just remember this listings for cozy room with AC and balcony. Hi, please tell me the detail of this Airbnb listing. Now you can see, right, it is calling my MCP tool for Airbnb listing details, this one. So it is just giving the all the details specific to this, I think. So here you see, right, cozy room with AC balcony in Koramangala, right? So exactly correctly it has found out this one, and it is giving all the details, check-in, check-out time, and it is working perfectly. So the whole idea you got it, right? That see, we have created our own MCP server also, and we have configured in this cursor, or anywhere also we can configure, because it's a generic, right, MCP protocol. Now Airbnb has also given this. We have just configured it and we are able to use it. Okay, so in next video we will see, right, some utilities kind of MCP servers and all, and then we will try to club these interact these three MCP servers, right, and see how we can achieve, right, our target. So we'll see. Yeah, thank you for